my name is Midwife. Welcome back to this channel. So this channel we talk about everything pregnancy, labor and delivery, and we always try to address your concerns so that you will get the best outcome of your question of your pregnancy. So today I just came to answer one question that a mother asked me on TikTok. Okay, so her question was that, Midwife Sally, is it okay that I take energy drink, okay, during pregnancy? So I'm sure we all know what an energy drink is, okay. It is different from the regular drinks that we always take, like Coke and Fanta. So energy drink, I don't want to mention anybody's brand, okay. Yeah, so can you take it during pregnancy? You can't take energy drink during pregnancy. It is not really advisable because most energy drinks contain caffeine, okay. So this caffeine is what kind of gives you the boost, okay, the energy, and makes you feel so, have a lot of energy, okay. So most of these energy drinks contain caffeine, okay, and caffeine is not good for your newborn baby or your baby in utero. Caffeine can go straight to your baby in utero and it can affect the development of the baby, okay. You want the best outcome of your baby, so you don't want to take anything that will interact with the development of that growing baby, okay. So no energy drink, no, you don't take anything that contains caffeine at all, okay. So during pregnancy, no caffeine for you, okay. You don't take anything that contains alcohol as well. So make sure that everything that you are taking has some nutrients or something that will be of benefit to you and to the baby. Yeah, so the answer is that no energy drink during pregnancy, no caffeine during pregnancy, okay. So that is how you go about it. You can take, somebody will say, so what can I take? You can take lots of fruit juice, okay. So fruit juice are healthy drink that you can take, like mango juice, any juice that you are comfortable with, okay, you can take it, but don't take energy drink. You can also take some of our regular drinks like malt, Fanta, Coke, just once in a while, okay, because you want to be careful about all this, okay. You want to be careful about all this, but don't take energy drink, okay. So everything that is going into your system, ask yourself, how is it going to help you? How is it going to help the baby? Okay, does it contain caffeine? Does it contain alcohol? All these things are things that you should be concerned about, okay. So stay healthy, and then I wish you a successful pregnancy.